Hey traders, I hope you guys did well today. The first like 10-15 minutes of the market, it was like the wild wild west. We had AGRX, FLKS, FFHL, LMFA. There was just a lot going on, very active, a lot of movement, a lot of good volume activity, and then it subsided very quickly. About 15-20 minutes later, it just turned into crickets out here. Volume died off very quickly. I hope you guys stayed safe and didn't buy the top of some of these moves. I wish I would have taken a partial about 75% up in this move on AGRX up to 130. My entry was 95 cents. I'm just kind of greedy. We have a huge gap to fill, and as the move came back down, I added, just thinking we were going to have some continuation momentum today. Volume died off very quick. I took profits and could have made quite a bit more, but at the same time, I'm happy. I'm learning lessons, making money. That's how I want it to be. But I think there's some good lessons for you guys to learn today. Taking some partials, taking profits off the table, with this huge move right here. I knew this was going to retrace itself. It just went straight up. I was looking to add. That's what I was thinking. Okay, this is definitely coming down. At least a VWAP I'll add here, and then we'll get our next leg up. Did not get its next leg up, unfortunately. Volume died off very quick. I should have taken profits on this huge move right here. But you live and learn. I learn making money. That's okay. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. Good morning, traders. I'm looking right now at FLKS. This one is the top gainer. I did see it in the afternoon yesterday. Didn't pick it up. This is a 13 EMA and 50-day squeeze. What happens is on the daily, these are indicators you need to have. The 13 EMA and 50-day get squeezed together. Once the stock's been consolidating, under the 50-day for so long, and these levels come together, then we see a breakout. When we break above the 50-day, that means we're bullish, and now the resistance we have is up near 290, the 200-day moving average. It's a pattern that works pretty consistently. I've seen this quite a few times, guys, and there doesn't need to be a catalyst. The actual chart pattern and chart breakout is the catalyst, is the news on it. That's the news. There's no news on it. It's just a breakout technically above the 50-day from that squeeze with the 13 EMA. Other than FLKS, I'm still holding AGRX. I got into this, once we had massive volume in the breakout. Got in at 95 cents. I've been holding this all day because you know how I am about taking my profits early. I said, no, I'm just going to hold this. I'm still holding it. I do think we have potential again today to break on up and break 120 actually today. But I'm not trading this dumb. I set a stop loss on it, guys. I had a stop at 93 cents yesterday. It was below a big bid order. So I'm either losing a few dollars or I'm making a good amount of money on it. FFHL, I tried to get filled here. Didn't get it. This one's probably going to hit 301. That's the 200-day. So decent 15-cent spread on it. That's why I'm just not market ordering in this. LMFA is the reverse split. I knew that going into today. I did not trade this because of the risk that comes with trading these very low float stocks on the reverse split. And also, we saw yesterday that reverse split, GLBS, it had the spike right in the morning and then just retraced the entire move. So we could see that right here at $8, $6 to $8, and then completely retrace that entire move like it's doing right now. And I'm not going to buy the dip like I did yesterday, but what I will do is keep it on high alert for that move, curl back on up in the afternoon, just like the other stock did, GLBS, yesterday. This is coming right up to resistance, though. That's the problem. It's like, should I sell? No, guys, I'm not selling. I didn't sell yesterday at 120. I'm not selling today. It is going to have a pullback at 120, though. And this line may hold it up. Oh, it's breaking it. Whoa, guys. Well, AGRX is doing me right today. It is doing me right. I can't add at the top, we're just going straight up. I need it to pull back and then I'll add to it. That's good though. We broke above 120. That was the key level of resistance from yesterday. Area of resistance you guys got to make sure you keep on watch is previous high of days. 120 was that yesterday. If you guys saw me, this was on my watch list. I posted this on Twitter. I saw this morning. It looked good. This is kind of like the pattern that I look for, my go-to. I've talked to you guys about this plenty of times. We have some volume, very low volume. It's a lower float. It's got news. It's got room to move up to the 200-day. It had everything, guys. yeah, I'm a little trepidated to trade these with my account where it is. I got to trade things where I can keep my stop losses tight. Because if I would have got in near 220, then it just instantly drops to 190, like GLBS did it to me yesterday. That I can't have that with my account right now. I added to AGRX around this VWAP here. Now my average is at like 102. I have about 1,300 shares of this. And I'm looking to continue to hold this one. Okay guys, as long as I've held AGRX, I'm leaving profitable on this trade. This one needs to get above this upper trend line here. It needs to get above it. I do think it can happen. We're just going to see a big volume spike. If we're going to get the break above that trend, it's just going to be like yesterday. If I take you guys back to yesterday, it's kind of the same thing that's happening right now. We're consolidating below this upper trend, and then this massive volume spike comes in and we break above it. That's what we're looking for today. This is the area that I was trying to find support here, around 110, because we had the lower shadow here. And this is the area of support it was trying to find. Guys, you got to know the personalities of each stock. We've already seen what AGRX did yesterday. That means it's very likely for that to happen today. We definitely could see that huge volume spike come in and squeeze shorts. Okay, I locked in AGRX. Right there at 111, 112, it looked, didn't look as good right there. It just now cracked beneath 110 pretty hard. Glad I locked in there. Could have locked in a lot more on this trade. But I gave it room. Gave it some good opportunity, some good time. So I'm happy that I was able to do that. I'm a little upset that it has retraced this entire move from 130 all the way down to 105. AGRX I did sell a little early and did get that volume. Cracked under 110, bounced up and got that volume to squeeze some shorts out. Just like I thought it would do. It just took a little bit more time than I wanted it to. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to get your cats and dogs spayed and neutered. This is Bob Barker. We'll see you tomorrow.